Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Thank you my return subscriber. Thank you all. May God bless every one of you. If you have not subscribed in this channel, please subscribe. As you do that, may God bless you. Subscribe and press the notification bell. Wherever I upload any video, you'll be the first to watch it. Thank you guys for watching my video. My topic of today, we go for some of our brothers and sisters in this Europe. Topic. So some of our sisters so in this Europe, when they enter the country, the first country they reach, and that be the first place when they put their hand down, when they for put them down. They can't go for commission, ask them waiting bring them come, they go talk this waiting bring them come, talk their story. So if they tell their story, they go say, okay, maybe they wait for the results. If they get luck, maybe for 6 months, they go grant their asylum. If they not get luck, maybe go take them maybe 1 year before their result will come out. And when their result will come out, maybe they're negative, they will go give lawyer. As they go give lawyer, they no go get patient. Make lawyer fight them for them, make good results come for them. They go leave that country when they first put their hand down. Because their friends don't they say, I'm gonna come this country, this country now honey and make a deal. They go come. When they will come the country finish, they'll go for another asylum again for the country. But don't forget, say the first story when they first talk, for the first country they first day, they don't forget that story. When they will come this country now they'll come talk another story. And when they go put their hand down, all their datas, it go come out. They will see everything. They will say, this person is not there straightforward, they're not there truthful. They no come grant you asylum, you come there. So when the country say make you leave the country, if you don't come out for the country, go back away for the come. You come they talk wetin not be in for that country. They use maths, they condemn that country. But you don't forget, say other African brothers and sisters, they still they live for that country and they dey for asylum. Say they hope make their result come out for good. They go use math, they condemn the country and say the country do this and say not do this and say not do that. But they forget say that then now it cause the problem to their self, because if they talk exactly the story when they first talk for the first country, they first put their hand down, and they can't talk exactly that story for the second country when they go, why they not go grant them? They go grant, they go say, this person is dead truthful, you not forget wetin he first talk. They go grant them. And then you go see some of our brother wey be say they go there for another country maybe for 10 years, no document for them. They go comot, they will go another country. When they will go another country, go come answer their prayer, no go take them 6 months. They'll give them documents. They'll give the document for that country. They go dey happy. But you gonna be say you comot for your first country, you can't go the second country, and they not come grant you. They can't tell me you go back. As you go back, you go close your mouth, je. No need for you to dey talk wetin not happen for that country, wetin you not see. You're going to use mouth dey condemn am. And as they do all those ones, the citizens of that country, they hear everything. They hear am. You think they go dey happy with your own fellow people, your own fellow brothers and sisters when still dey for asylum? They not go dey happy with them. They not go dey happy. Maybe it's supposed to grant those people that they will say because of that bad egg. Maybe say if mouth no let am keep on one place. They not come grant all those ones. So when they use the same eye, when they look all of them. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, if you not dey for asylum, no, I know they forget to that first story when I first talk. When I know they forget, when they talk exactly the story when I first tell them for the first country when I first did. Now go still repeat the same story for the country when I go again. The moment I don't throw away 1, 2, minus 1 and 2 come on for inside that story when I first talk. Now nothing. They'll say, this person is not this straightforward, not this truthful. They not go believe. And the moment you go the commission office, when I come start another story afresh again. But when I first talk, when I make sure say I stand for my word, I will stand for what when I first talk. Now go better pass. Now they go use they favor you for the country we say you can't let that go. But those of now we say now come on for country because say the country now come out. But in time when I decide the country, now go they use their math, they praise the country, and the country do good though. They do this one. But if they don't come out, go back whenever they come. Now can't change na maths, they use math, they condemn that country. say because of wetin, because say una wan get people wey say go dey clap am for una, say una dey talk the true word, and meanwhile na lie na una dey talk. Make una stop all those kind of something. Thank you guys for watching my video. May God bless every one of you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that and subscribe and press the notification bell wherever I upload any video, so that you'll be the first to watch. Thank you guys. Please drop your comments in the comment section. May God bless every one of you in Jesus.